Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. It's easy to overlook the importance of caring for our bodies. One crucial aspect of maintaining overall health is detoxifying our system regularly. And what better way to do that than with potent detox drinks that cleanse the colon, support liver detox, and aid in weight loss. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 potent detox drinks to help you achieve a healthier, more vibrant you. Detox drinks have gained popularity for their ability to flush out toxins, improve digestion, boost energy levels, and promote weight loss. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine gives your body the reset it needs to function optimally. Whether you're looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle or give your body a break from processed foods and environmental pollutants, detox drinks are a fantastic way to support your overall well-being. It's essential to prioritize your health and well-being. A colon and liver cleanse diet can play a significant role in achieving that. Our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the products we use. Over time, these toxins can build up in our system, leading to various health issues. By incorporating detox drinks into your routine, you can help your body eliminate these harmful substances and maintain a healthy balance. So, join us on this journey to discover 5 potent detox drinks that will cleanse your colon and liver and support your weight loss goals. Let's take a step towards a healthier, happier you. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Detox Drink 1. Green Cleanse Elixir. Looking to kickstart your colon detoxification and liver cleanse journey? Look no further than the Green Cleanse Elixir, a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and revitalized. Let's dive into the recipe and benefits of this potent elixir. Ingredients. 1 cup of kale. Packed with chlorophyll, kale helps to cleanse the liver and support detoxification processes in the body. 1 medium cucumber. Cucumbers are hydrating and contain antioxidants that aid in flushing out toxins from the body. Juice of 1 lemon. Lemons are known for their alkalizing properties and can help balance the body's pH levels, promoting overall well-being. This green cleanse elixir supports colon detoxification and liver cleanse and aids in weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting satiety. Combining kale, cucumber, and lemon creates a powerful synergy that helps eliminate toxins, reduce inflammation, and support digestive health. To maximize the effectiveness of this elixir, it's best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows the nutrients to be absorbed quickly and kickstarts your metabolism for the day ahead. You can also enjoy this drink as a midday pick-me-up or post-workout refreshment to replenish your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporate the Green Cleanse Elixir into your daily routine to experience the benefits of colon detoxification, liver cleanse, weight loss support, and overall well-being. Cheers to a healthier you! Detox Drink 2. Berry Blast Detox. Get ready to indulge in flavor and nutrition with the Berry Blast Detox, a delicious concoction that cleanses your colon and detoxifies your liver. Let's explore the preparation method and the numerous advantages of this vibrant detox drink. Preparation method. 1 cup of blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help to cleanse the colon and promote overall gut health. 1/2 cup of raspberries. Raspberries are packed with fiber and vitamin C, aiding liver detoxification and supporting a healthy immune system. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, promoting satiety and aiding digestion. 1 cup of coconut water. Coconut water is hydrating and contains electrolytes that support liver function and boost metabolism. The Berry Blast Detox is a powerhouse of nutrients that cleanse the colon, support liver function, and boost metabolism for weight loss. The antioxidant-rich berries, combined with chia seeds and coconut water, create a synergistic blend that helps to eliminate toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve overall digestive health. To customize the Berry Blast Detox based on your preferences, add a splash of fresh lemon juice for an extra zing or a handful of spinach for added greens. Feel free to experiment with different variations to suit your taste buds and nutritional needs. Incorporate the Berry Blast Detox into your daily routine to experience the benefits of colon cleansing, liver detoxification, weight loss support, and a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. Cheers to vibrant health! Detox Drink 3. Citrus Zing Infusion. Prepare to invigorate your senses and cleanse your body with the Citrus Zing Infusion, a zesty elixir designed to detoxify your colon and liver while promoting weight loss. Let's delve into the recipe and the multitude of benefits this infusion offers. Recipe: juice of 2 oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports detoxification processes in the body. Juice of 1 grapefruit. Grapefruits are known for their fat-burning properties and ability to aid in weight loss. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Ginger aids digestion, reduces bloating, and accelerates fat burning by boosting metabolism. 1 teaspoon of honey. Optional, honey adds a touch of sweetness and provides additional health benefits, such as soothing the digestive system. The Citrus Zing Infusion is a powerhouse of vitamin C from oranges and grapefruits, along with the digestive benefits of ginger. This combination not only supports colon and liver detoxification but also aids in digestion, reduces bloating, and accelerates fat burning for weight loss. Incorporating this infusion into your daily detox routine can be a refreshing way to kickstart your day. Enjoy it in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits, or sip on it throughout the day as a hydrating and revitalizing beverage. You can also customize this infusion by adding a splash of lemon juice or a sprig of mint for added freshness and flavor. Make the Citrus Zing Infusion a part of your daily detox regimen to experience the perks of colon and liver detoxification, improved digestion, reduced bloating, and enhanced fat burning. Cheers to a vibrant and healthier you. Detox Drink 4. Herbal Cleanse Tonic. Embark on a journey to holistic wellness with the Herbal Cleanse Tonic, a potent elixir crafted to provide a comprehensive colon and liver cleanse while emphasizing its weight loss benefits. Let's uncover the ingredients and advantages of this herbal tonic. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dandelion root. Dandelion is a powerful herb known for its detoxifying properties, supporting liver health and aiding digestion. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid that helps to balance gut flora and promote weight loss. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory spice that supports liver function and aids in shedding excess pounds. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to alkalize the body, improve digestion, and support weight loss efforts. The Herbal Cleanse Tonic harnesses the detoxifying powers of herbs like dandelion, ginger, and turmeric to provide a comprehensive colon and liver cleanse. This tonic promotes liver health, balances gut flora, and aids in shedding excess pounds by supporting metabolism and digestion. Incorporating this tonic into your detox regimen can be a transformative step toward achieving optimal health. Enjoy it in the morning as a refreshing start or sip throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes. You can also customize this tonic by adding a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. Make the Herbal Cleanse Tonic a part of your daily routine to experience the benefits of a comprehensive colon and liver cleanse, improved liver health, balanced gut flora, and enhanced weight loss support. Here's to a healthier and revitalized you. Detox Drink 5. Tropical Paradise Flush. Transport yourself to a tropical oasis with the Tropical Paradise Flush, a refreshing elixir designed to cleanse your colon, detoxify your liver, and support weight loss. Let's explore the recipe and the myriad benefits of this tropical delight. Recipe: 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and supports colon cleansing. 1 cup of coconut water. Coconut water is hydrating and rich in electrolytes, promoting liver detox and boosting energy levels. A handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint is known for its soothing properties, and it can aid digestion and support natural detoxification processes. The Tropical Paradise Flush features tropical fruits like pineapple, hydrating coconut water, and refreshing mint to create a cleansing elixir that supports colon cleansing and liver detox and aids in weight loss. This vibrant blend hydrates the body, boosts energy levels, and supports the body's natural detoxification processes. To enhance the detox experience. For a refreshing twist, consider serving the Tropical Paradise Flush in a chilled glass over ice. For a tropical flair, garnish it with a mint sprig or a pineapple slice. For added zing, squeeze in a splash of lime juice or blend in a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Incorporate the Tropical Paradise Flush into your daily routine to experience the benefits of colon cleansing, liver detoxification, weight loss support, hydration, and increased energy levels. Cheers to a tropical paradise within reach and a healthier, revitalized you. Detox Drink 1. Green Cleanse Elixir packed with kale, cucumber, and lemon. This elixir promotes colon health, liver detox, and weight loss. Detox Drink 2. Berry Blast Detox. This drink features antioxidant-rich berries, chia seeds, and coconut water. It aids in colon cleansing, liver function, and weight loss. Detox Drink 3. Citrus Zing Infusion with oranges, grapefruits, ginger, and honey. This infusion supports digestion, liver health, and weight loss. Detox Drink 4. Herbal Cleanse Tonic. This tonic combines dandelion, ginger, turmeric, and apple cider vinegar and offers a comprehensive colon cleanse, liver detox, and weight loss support. Detox Drink 5. Tropical Paradise Flush made with pineapple, coconut water, and mint. This tropical elixir hydrates the body, boosts energy, and aids natural detoxification. By incorporating these detox drinks into your daily routine, you can experience improved colon health, enhanced liver function, and practical weight loss support. Prioritizing natural detoxification is the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember to subscribe for more health tips, like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with others who can benefit from these potent detox drinks. Together, let's embark on a journey to better health and well-being. Cheers to a vibrant and revitalized you.